welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I got a little inspired by the red hair that I have on today, so I'm probably gonna do like a Little Mermaid Ariel look. And as you can see in the background, I've moved. I'm back in school now, so I moved back to the city that my school's in. So I'm in a different area, so the setup's gonna be different and it might change a few times in the next few videos. I don't know, I'm still like trying to figure all of that out, so bear with me. And of course, as always, if you're new here, hi, I'm Linda, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video, and if you like what you see, then make sure that you subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, again, thank you so much for coming back to my videos. I really appreciate all the support that everyone gives me. So let's get into the video. Of course, you guys already know the drill. Eyebrows are done, and I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place palettes like always. So we're gonna dip into the Nubian palette and take this color right here, and we're gonna layer that color into our crease basically, and it's gonna be our transition shade. This is always like my go-to transition shade. So once you're happy with the color, you're going to go into the Nubian 2 palette and take the color Jezebel and basically just put it at the outer crease of your eye. Alright, so now we're going to take the Magic palette and go on with the color Iffy or Ife. I don't really know the names like that, but just take this color right here and put it again at the outer crease of your eye. Now in the same palette, we're going to take the color Vessel right here and put it on our lid. Now go back in with your blending brush and just blend everything together as best as you can. looks a little crazy right now because it's just bright purple on my eyes and nothing else, but it'll come together in the end. Just watch. Alright, so for foundation, I use again the Fenty foundation in the color 385, I believe. Yeah. And I use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330. And then for my concealer, I use the color Caramel. And for my contour, I use the color Truffle. So I'm telling you like all these like right now because I'm just gonna do it off camera to save time. If you want to see how specifically I do it, I have other videos on my channel that I'll link that you guys can go check out. So my face is set, foundation on, contour, everything. Now we're gonna move on to one of my favorite parts, which is blush. So again, if you are an OG watcher, you know that I use eyeshadow for my blush, and this is the palette specifically that I use. And normally I just use the pink color, but like I kind of want to like experiment today, so I'm gonna mix the pink and the purple color. I'm gonna mix the pink and the purple color together to see what I get. So let's try it. Okay, let's try it. No, it's just like normal. On my nose. Okay, and for highlight, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the color, oh that's right, Amber Gold. It's like a pinkish golden color, and highlight with it. And we're gonna go back to the Magic Mini palette, and I'm going to grab the color Zuba, this color right here, and also put it on top of my highlight because I wanted to have more of a pinkish tone to it. I'm going to put on my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm gonna go back into the Magic palette and go back to the color again and put it at the under of my eye. Be careful with this, don't poke yourself in the eye, please, please be careful, please, thanks. Last but not least, we're going to put on lipstick now. So I'm using my lip liner in the color Pitch, lining my lips, needs to be sharpened. And take lip gloss in the color Netta by it's from ColourPop, and just pop it on my lips. And that is it for my makeup. So I'm gonna go curl my hair. I would bring you guys with me, but I don't have anywhere to set it up just yet. So I'm just gonna go curl it off camera and then come back with the final look. Hey, so this is the final look. As you can see, I curled my hair, and I also forgot to put on mascara, so I put that on real quick. But yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video and making it this far into the video. If you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for everything, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.